Well, the Easter long weekend was upon us, so it was time to go relax for a few days by camping on the beach with a few mates. Now, this video is a little different to the last few, mainly in that it is short and not as action-packed as the rest. However, I still felt it was important to upload even this short video highlighting another big part of what we do with our four-wheel drives, being camping in amazing spots and relaxing for a few days to take a break from the usual busy schedules. In saying that, I didn't want to drag the video on for 15 minutes of us basically doing the same stuff for 4 days, so I thought a nice summary was the best way to do it. Don't worry, there's a lot more content coming soon, including some awesome individual car reviews coming out next weekend. Anyway, back to the video, where we've headed to a secret location north of Perth and managed to get an amazing spot right on the beach. It wasn't long before the boys were out on the dinghy trying their luck with some fishing, squidding and checking some crab pots that we had put out. A new day brought upon more opportunities to go out for a fish, which was what was done for most of this day. While two of the boys were having one last fish and a check of the pots, we spotted two people from another campsite on a determined mission to drop out a cray pot that they had found on the beach and repaired the day before. After swimming 200 metres offshore with the pot on an inflatable dinghy, they dropped it off, but unfortunately the next day the pot was nowhere to be seen, but we have to respect the effort. Although the boys had no luck that afternoon, it was the effort of two of the dads getting up at 5 AM to go on their own squidding mission that brought us this afternoon's lunch, which I obviously have no footage of because I was fast asleep.
Ready to go, what's it?
Just give another good 4 minutes shaking them around.
On whatever show it was. One hit wonder, I don't think it was anything after that.
Third time's a charm.
There we go.
It's going. Yeah, it's going.
As soon as they get a little bit of a light brown on them, they're done.
Tell you what, can't get much fresher than this, and it wasn't long before everyone was enjoying the successful fishing efforts from this morning.
Go on, we gotta grab please.
Get a piece, boys. There you get one.
We woke up the next morning with the urge to explore, so we hopped into a few of the cars and went on our way to see what else was around. We found quite a few other potential campsites around some different beaches, but I think it's safe to say none quite compared to the spot we already had. Just like that, our time had come to an end, and after one last fish and lunch on the beach, we made our way home. I hope you enjoyed this short look at what else we do when we're not pushing our four-wheel drives to their limits. Make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for the next few weeks with some awesome individual car reviews coming out soon.